Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, what we did is we looked at AMD and PTON, which is Peloton and Advanced Micro Devices. So let's get into the trade because we're still live trading. I just kind of want to go over what we do here at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. Now, this is just my own personal journey, so I always advise you to be able to trade in a paper money account or a virtual simulator until you are proven profitable. Until then, you shouldn't be taking any of my trades or listening to any of my advice until you are proven profitable. I'm not licensed, I'm not certified. I do this on my own personal dime with my own personal money, and I don't have my Series 7's license or my Series 33 or any of those regulatory certifications, right? I'm just an average day trader. So this is never financial advice. I'm not giving you any financial advice or legal or taxation or any type of advice. I'm just going through my own personal journey. This is my real account. As you see right here, it says margin account up here. If I'm not looking at you when I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my screens. So just bear that in mind. So you see here, margin account right there. You see the date. If you say, well, why does it say partially delayed data? Been going over this for the last, 5 or 6 months now, 7 months. So stock is in real time. So all the feeds are there, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade them, so I don't need those feeds on. I'll eventually get my broker to turn them on. And you got Forex is real time, and you got others are real time. So full blown account. So what do we do here with AMD? Well, always the first thing we do is we map out our box from the day before. This lets us know where we're going to head, what kind of action AMD is having. And as you can see right here in pre-market, AMD was puttering around in pre-market. You see the violent dips here, violent dip right there. So what happened? AMD opened up under the box. Now, if it opens up inside of the box or under the box, we don't take the trade. If it opens up in the box, we don't take the trade. If it opens up under the box, we look at going short, right? That's what we do with AMD or any stock that's looking at going short. So when AMD opened up, you see hit the low right here, but it opened up right around here. So I just waited, and I waited, and I waited. Didn't have to wait too long. So let's go over here to the 5-minute setup so you can see exactly what's going on. Let me shrink that down there for you. So you see the box. So we just wait for a proper time, and you see I mapped out other levels right here, other price resistance, support and resistance levels right here. And when AMD was looking prime for me to take my trade, I took my trade on these nice big red side candles, right? Because that's what you're supposed to do, right? So let's move over here to Peloton. Let's finish off with AMD. AMD got, let's see here. AMD got downgraded. So let's come back over here. AMD, what happened to AMD? No, AMD got downgraded. So where are we here? So nice news here. Peloton slumps. So obviously, we're looking at Peloton here. Not really caring about everything else in the marketplace. Let's go over here and we slide down to AMD. And where was the news on AMD today? AMD got downgraded by Piper Sandler. So that's what we look for. And it was a good move down right there with the downgrade. So let's go on over to Peloton. So we know what the news was in Peloton, but what we always do is we sell on the news, right? All right. We sell into the news. We don't buy into the news. We sell into the news because that's how you make money, right? And as you see right here, Peloton took a nice big dump, but you know what? I got Peloton too early and I took a loss on it, as you can see. So when Peloton opened up, it opened up above the box, right? I always tell you, if it opens up above the box and way above the box, you can always be rest assured that it's going to come crashing back down inside of this box and then go through it. Now, what happened was I got caught in this, I got caught in Peloton because of these candles right here. And I just got out. I adhered to my stop loss and I just got out. Had I kept my position, I would have been super profitable right now. But you'll see it over here, Peloton right now. Peloton right now is at 72 cents, right? When I got in, it was 30 cents or so, and it just ripped for me, so I had to take a loss on it. With AMD, you just saw the alert right there. So let's go over the alert right there so that you see it. Let me hit the alert here for you. AMD 21 January 22 121 put mark is at or above 214. Mark is at 215. And I got out way before that, but that was my triple profit right there, is to get out when I hit 214 on the put side. And you see here Peloton right here, put mark is at or above 52 cents. That's when I was supposed to, right here is when I took my loss. Peloton is at or below 35 cents, and it was, and I had to get out, take my loss. So when Peloton was at 52 cents, that's when I should have sized up and got some more. And AMD, that's the ultimate right there. So you see that right there. Had I held my position, it would be very profitable right now with Peloton, PTON, but I didn't. And that's part of trading. It happens, right? So you see Peloton just slipping and sliding right here on a classic ski slope or reverse downward staircase pattern, which is what I love. And then we got AMD over here, right? So AMD's looking really juicy here. Wow, look at that. That's the plunge that you want to take. Those deep, deep, deep red candles, that's what you want to take. So if you're kind of curious, well, what happened today? What happened? Well, with Peloton, it's a red day for me with Peloton. It was a red trade, minus 400. Just had to take a loss, right? So that was Peloton. And what did we do with AMD? AMD, we were positive today with AMD $3,800. So on net on the day, we were $3,400 on the day for today. So that being said, somewhere in this video, there's going to be a link to the site, Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. Head on over, see that link, head on over to the site. Love to have you on board, love to have you a member so that you can get some really good trades. And as you see, yes, we do have red days as well, but we do have green days, right? So I decided to take 2 trades today instead of 1. 99% of the time, I always take 1 trade a day because it has to be highly profitable, very leveraged, and that's what I like to do. Today I took 2 trades because it was Friday, expiration Friday, and look at AMD just ripped to the downside here. I love it. All right. So obviously that would have been, such a bigger gain, but you know what? We're in and we're out of the marketplace. So if you like that, smash that like button, Love to see you on board the Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. We're going to start trading heavy because the market's in some severe correction territory. and we're going to be making some really good gains, or we'll take some losses along the way as well, because they both happen. Wow, look at this. Look at this dive. This is insane. What are we at here? -2. Wow, almost 3% on AMD going down. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go on the 2-minute time frame here. See what's going on. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is vicious. You can see the 20 right down there. You can see the 200. They're both crossed, and it's just that 20 is just ripping and hugging that. Wow. All right, let's look at the marketplace overall. Yeah, the entire marketplace is going red. Couple little spots there. Home Depot, Procter and Gamble, Coca-Cola, Lowe's, a little bit positive. J&J. So consumer, positive for the day. CVS, J&J. Wow, great market to be in. Yeah, perfect. All right, so that's it for me. This is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session, which would be, I guess, next week, Monday. Take care, everybody. Over and out.